Hey everyone, my name is Joseph, and today I'll be showing you a side of me that many of you do not know of. You guys may know me as a gamer or the name Gochi, but I am also a martial artist. Today, I'll be showing you how I use LumaFusion to create martial art videos. For reference, let me show you examples of me practicing. The martial art I study is Kaju Kembo, a mixed martial art that consists of karate, judo and jiu-jitsu, kenpo, and Chinese boxing or kung fu. As you can see, I probably don't kick as high or perfectly as expected, as I just started getting back into Kaju Kembo after a year or two. One of my favorite utilities in the LumaFusion app is being able to add multiple clips together on a single line. Whenever I work out, I like to record multiple clips of myself, and then put those clips in a giant compilation, where I can then look at my clips and see my mistakes and work on my mistakes on a future day. This is pretty easy to do, so let me show you how. First of all, you should have a new project open and ready for use. Then open the Photos section and choose the footage that you want to use. After that, simply drag that footage onto the footage line, also known as the big blue line in the middle of the screen. Repeat this process until you have all the clips you need, and boom, you have your own clip montage. I won't get into much detail about this, but you can now add transitions between the clips for an overall smoother watching experience, or you can even rearrange the clips in specific order if necessary. I enjoy how I can use LumaFusion for practically anything I want to create or edit a couple videos on. LumaFusion creates a space for me where I can expand my creativity and create videos on topics some of you may or may not know about. I can then share these videos on online platforms with other online content creators. Check out LumaFusion on the App Store today, or click the link in the description below for another way to access LumaFusion. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.